Hello dear fans. How to teach a child to write essays. Children have to write essays on various topics for almost the entire duration of their schooling. The child's academic performance, as well as literacy, the ability to build coherent sentences, express his thoughts, etc., directly depends on how good the texts are written by the child. The sooner parents start teaching their child to write essays, the better. Instructions. Step 1. Explain to your child that it is not enough just to write down the topic of the essay. You also need to briefly indicate the teacher's recommendations. The fact is that often teachers give a low mark even for a good job just because it does not meet the requirements. Recommendations may relate to the structure of the essay, design, features of the content, use of sources, etc. Step 2. Remember that you should only advise, help, teach, but not do the work for the child. It's okay if he doesn't do well at first. Let it seem to you that your child is being given too difficult tasks, or that he will not have time to write an essay on time. Even the most obedient and responsible children quickly get used to the fact that the lessons need not be done, because surely good parents will do everything themselves. Step 3. Do not allow your child to write an essay straight away in clean copy. Let him first draft a draft, then you will read it with your child, point out the mistakes that he made, and help fix them. Only after the essay has been properly revised, allow me to rewrite it as a clean copy. Work through the text carefully, be sure to explain to the student what he made a mistake and why, but do not correct the shortcomings silently. Do it calmly, without reproaches, and even more so without swearing, otherwise the process of writing an essay will turn into torture. Step 4. If the child cannot write an essay, try to speculate with him on a given topic, build a logical train of thought. For example, if you need to write a standard essay about how your child spent the summer, remind him of the most pleasant moments, talk about them, help the child determine what events to write about and in what sequence. Step 5. Do not let your child copy other people's texts and teach him to work with the works of critics. To write some essays, quotes from poets, writers, philosophers, etc. are required, but this does not mean that the student should make a presentation from the work of another person. Help him express his own thoughts, understand that the source should not serve as the basis for the entire essay. Firstly, the child must learn to think independently, and secondly, if he simply rewrites someone else's work in his own words, the teacher will certainly notice this and is unlikely to give a high mark. Thanks for watching.